I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and signing in so edits and history are available to you. Search the business or place using name, address, or coordinates, then open the place card immediately. Once there, scan the basic fields, hours, phone, website, photos, and note any obvious gaps or contradictions. Make sure to tap photos and recent edits to see timestamps. This gives immediate clues about accuracy. Now that the listing is loaded, you're ready to dig deeper into evidence. Continue by examining reviews for patterns. Look at dates and reviewer profiles to spot fake clusters or one-off complaints. Then switch to Street View and Satellite. Confirm the storefront, signage, and building layout. Visual matches reduce uncertainty. Next, open uploaded photos and check their timestamps and metadata where available, comparing interior and exterior shots for consistency. If the listing claims an address that doesn't match Street View, mark that discrepancy and finish by corroborating the listing against the business website and social pages, and if necessary, call the phone number to confirm hours or services. Save screenshots and concise notes as evidence, then use the Suggest and Edit or Report a Problem flow to submit corrections with clear, specific changes. If you manage listings, claim and update the profile. Troubleshooting tip: if your edits don't save, clear cache, switch networks, or try another signed-in account to rule out sync or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.